When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime. I met you in the summer, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing one of the pieces from Summer's Kitty's closet. If you want this look to be yours, please go and check out Summer's Kitty's closet on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Post notification shout out to Nastasia for commenting on my last video. Also, post notification shout out to Janae. She won for herself a t-shirt, the courtesy of Summer's Kitty's closet. Today we'll be doing some cute pink bows for little girls. I hope you enjoy this video and all the other videos. I hope you enjoy! What you will be needing for today's craft is some ribbons, scissors, a needle and a thread, and now I'll just, and if you need a hot glue, if you don't want to sew it, if you don't have a hot glue, you can sew. So let's get started. So what you'll be needing to do is cut a piece of ribbon, which I've already done now. So, and every time you cut a piece of ribbon, you're going to do one smaller than one. For example, this one, and then, hold on, and then one is a little shorter, and then one is the smallest. So, when you cut two pieces, so I'll be cutting the third one. Only 3 pieces you'll be needing. So, now, if you don't have a glue gun, the sewing technique like this, just like fold it like this way, and sew the sewing technique like that, in, out, if you want, this is just for the sewing technique if you don't have a glue gun, and you can repeat it twice so it doesn't fall out, but we'll actually be using the glue gun for the other two. We're just giving you an example. And for the gluing technique, that so when I finish, it's supposed to look like 1 second, like this. Now I have finished 2 pieces, one with the sewing technique and one with the gluing technique. Now I'll just finish this one with the gluing technique as well. Now that we have done that, what you'll be doing is just tacking each one by size on top of each other, like this. Then the medium one, right in the middle, and then the smallest one. Like this. Now that I have showed you that, you're going to take a smaller ribbon and put it right in the middle and wrap it as tightly and neatly as you can. Wrap it to the best of your ability, actually. Now that we have done that, I'm going to accessorize it a little by putting this gemstone on it. Well, it's a pink heart. Now that we're finished with the bow itself, you're going to need one of these to attach it to your hair like this. Look at my collection that I have done so far. This bow and this one. This one. This is the one, the fairly newest one that I have done in my collection so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a very great big thumbs up if you did.